It's your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I made 305 today with the campaign I set up. On my last video, if you guys wanna know how to set this campaign up, go watch my last video and it'll show you exactly how I set this campaign up. Quick note, I want you guys to leave in the comment section what's the reason you want to start affiliate marketing? What is your affiliate marketing goals? Leave that down for me in the comment section. I will comment back because I do want to get to know everybody personally. So leave that in the comment section. All right, let's dive into this campaign. Let's get it. Overview. Today is November 29th. It's Monday. As you can see, today we received 18 clicks and we only spent about $10 today. That's all. And we made $305. So today, calculator, 305 minus $10. We're looking at $295 in profit. Log into Digistore. Let's see if this adds up together. Come on, Digistore. Okay, Digistore would not let me log in for some reason right now, so we're gonna swing on over into the Digistore app on my phone. Here we go. Let's refresh it. Okay. Today we earned 305.63 all day, as you can see. Okay, let's go back to Click Magic. Look for the links. Let's see what keyword we received this sale on. Here comes the sale right here. IP address 174.250. So let's go look at the clicks for today. IP address 174.250. Click on the IP address. As you can see, the money's right here. This is the keyword that received the sale. Best cure for tinnitus. M stands for mobile phone. That loan number is the ad ID. So we know it came from a mobile device. And this was the word that got us the sale right here. So let's head over to Microsoft. Go to our ads. Okay. So today, this ad received the most clicks. As you can see, 18 clicks, 367 impressions all day. Average cost per click, we only paying about 61 cents per click on average. So our ROI is crazy high. Top impressions, 90%, so we're close by the top every time. Go back to the ad groups, get my bids. Bidding at 80 cents per click. Quality score about 70%. Not too bad. We can increase that though. Budget every day, $300 per day. So like I said, if you guys want to see how to set up this exact campaign, look at my last recent video. This is the case study I'm running. Show you guys how to make money on Microsoft ads without brand bidding, because I know a lot of you guys was questioning me, asking me, oh, some products won't let you brand bid or whatever. So this is the way to do it without brand bidding, direct linking. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm gonna link my landing page to this ad and run it with a landing page and see how that goes. So I only have one person that got to the order form today. I would show you guys what digistore24 is not working, but in the meanwhile, I'm gonna need you guys to like, subscribe, comment below. Make sure you leave why you started affiliate marketing below and what's your goals in affiliate marketing. I will be answering back. In the meanwhile, you guys have a good day. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.